KCSE 2024, Mathematics Paper 2. The topic is logarithms. So the question reads, without using mathematical tables or a calculator, evaluate log of 125 plus log of 64 divided by log of 6th root of 5 plus log of cube root of 2. So to start with, I'm going to look for a way which I can write this number 125 and 64 in index notation. So 125 can be written as 5 raised to 3. Pick a calculator, 5 raised to 3, get 125. And also 64 can be written as, this is 2 raised to power 6. So for the denominator, you can see I have roots. So remember from the laws of indices, if you have the nth root of a, this can be written in power form as a raised to 1 over n. So when I have the 6th root of 5, this can be written as 5 raised to 1 over 6. And also for the cube root of 2, this can be written as 2 raised to 1 over 3. So I'm going to write this equation where I have log 125. This is log of, where I have 125, I put 5 power 3. So this is log 5 power 3 plus log of 64. I have 64, I put 2 power 6. So this is log of 2 power 6 divided by, in the denominator, I have log of 5 raised to 1 over 6 plus this is log of 2 raised to 1 over 3. So according to the laws of logarithm, remember that if you have log of a raised to n, the number is raised to a power, then you can bring this power behind the log and it becomes n log of a. So I'm going to use this relation to rewrite my equation. So this is, I bring the 3 behind the log, so this becomes 3 log of 5 plus, on this other side, I bring the 6, so this is 6 log of 2 divided by, here I can bring the powers behind, so this is 1 over 6 log of 5 plus 1 over 3 log of 2. So to continue in the other side, we're going to factor out. I can see here 3 is common, so 3 is here. Also 3 is common in 6 because 3 times 2 gets 6. So I'm going to factor out 3. So when I factor out 3, I remain with the log of 5 plus 2 log of 2. In the denominator, I'm going to factor out 1 over 6 because it is common. So I factor out 1 over 6. So when I factor out 1 over 6, I remain with log of 5 plus, when I factor out 1 over 6, 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 6, it is 2 log of 2. So you can see these two are equal. So they're going to cancel each other. So I remain with 3 over 1 over 6. This means it is 3 divided by 1 over 6. So when I divide 3 in 1 over 6 and write it as 3 times 6 over 1. So 3 times 6, I get 18. That is the answer for this question. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time.